don't know. You know them?
Yeah, begini namin lebih ko we may goya ke da jayam da anegi sayam lebih ko kirami khan bakan ga dako kadang wawas keshe gima wabus gima peneshe ke anim mikawad da gio sayan ang ginana gawin damin gaya lebih ko bakana wiya ge widu kawad lebih ko team Gema gida Ardawa Obia Nitamda Ayang Wawashkeshi. Neil.
What?
Somebody's got a hand.
You already made the game on your computer?
We just took notes. So, we asked a teen in the group kind of like what his interests were, what kind of games he's interested in, and he said Call of Duty, which is going after and hunting down people. So, but we wanted it to be more Ojibwe language and nature and stuff, so we switched it to, instead of hunting people, hunting deer. And along the way, you can to make it AR, or I'm sorry, it's AR. Like if you're out in the woods, if you see like a branch, the game will tell you, step quietly, look for signs. There could be noises, tracks could be the augmented reality in the game. And it could teach about actual hunting, like where you should take a few steps and be quiet and listen. And if you move too quickly or too fast, then the deer can spook and run off. So the goal is listening to Ojibwe, listening to the commands, hunting skills.
Yeah. Also, in this game, it won't be limited to deer. It will have another animals too, like rabbits, birds, squirrels. It depends on what kind of game you're playing. So you can play alone by yourself, but you can play as a team with other people, and also versus like the hunting, with the opponent. So that's our idea.
Oh, this is good. Wow.